Honey, I'm Southern. I learned not to be limited in my kitchen. I learned to not live in a limited mindset. I learned to be creative. I learned to not be limited by what I have, where I am, what other people have. I learned to just put the flavors together that I want and be creative, because it's those southern traits, those southern roots that my grandmother and my mom and my aunties and great cousins instilled in me. It was the pattern that I learned to not be limited, to be creative, and then to bring out the best, working with that spirit of opulence, working with that spirit of excellence. I learned to be useful with what I have and to notice my surroundings. So whatever someone may give me or what I may have, I learned that God has told me He will provide everything that I need according to His riches and glory. So being creative in my kitchen is what I do. Are you like me? Let's see.